I'm a believer. You know what I believe in? I believe in the power of type and color. Typography and color. With those two things, you can change the world. Let me show you how. I want to talk about urgent action. And I'm going to read to you from the Big Book of Victory. This is about urgent action. The Urgent Action Network is an adjunct office of Amnesty International. It was founded in 1975 by Ellen Moore and Scott Harrison, and until 2006 was directed by them from their home office in northern Colorado. News of human rights abuses are transmitted from Amnesty to Urgent Action, which mobilizes individuals, schools, religious groups, professional, and special interest groups worldwide to contact those in power, demanding that the violations be stopped. The accused authorities, deluged by mail, quickly realize that their actions are being witnessed by an international audience. The UAN literally saves lives every day. I wrote about them in this book because before Amnesty contacted me and said, "Hey, James, can you help us?" What the Urgent Action Network was sending out to get donations, and donations from teachers and church groups and little old ladies, were these over-Xeroxed pages shoved into a manila folder. Not very moving stuff. They didn't have typography and color. So I had designed for them a package that looked a little bit like this. I gave them bright colors. I gave them a letterhead. I gave them a flyer that gave them information, typography and color. A letterhead to show they're affiliated with Amnesty International, and stickers because people love stickers. Typography and color. Here's another great example, a contemporary example, an important example. You've seen this. This is my friend Eric Brandt and the work that they are doing in Minneapolis. It was started in Minneapolis, and now you can change that to ATL or wherever you want, right? ICE, not like us. This is just memorable, beautiful, powerful type and color. You can change the world with type and color. Instead of it just being a ragtag army of people out in parkas and flannel shirts, it's now an army. They're now covered in unison, and they are impossible to ignore with type and color. Listen, if you want to know more, join me. Go to jamesvictory.com. Check out Graphic Activism. It's a workshop that's going to start next week. And I'll teach you more about the power of type and color. Okay? I'm James Victory. I love you, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.